In this video, we will talk about how to protect your online identity, so make sure to watch the full video. In today's digital age, protecting your online identity is more crucial than ever. With personal information readily available on social media and various online platforms, the risk of identity theft and cyber attacks is ever present. Understanding how to safeguard your digital presence can help you maintain control over your personal information and protect yourself from malicious threats. From creating strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication to recognizing phishing scams and securing your devices, there are several strategies you can implement. By being proactive and informed, you can effectively minimize your vulnerability to cybercriminals and ensure a safer online experience. In this article, we will explore essential steps to protect your online identity, empowering you to navigate the digital world with confidence and security. 1. Understanding online identity. What it is and why it matters. Your online identity is the digital representation of who you are, encompassing your social media profiles, online activity, and personal information shared across various platforms. It matters because it can significantly impact your reputation, privacy, and even financial security. Understanding the components of your online identity is crucial in recognizing how your information is used, shared, and potentially misused. As more interactions shift online, safeguarding your identity becomes vital to maintaining control over your personal information and protecting yourself from various online threats. 2. Creating strong passwords. Your first line of defense. Creating strong, unique passwords is your primary defense against unauthorized access to your accounts. A strong password typically consists of at least 12 characters, combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. Avoid using easily guessable information, such as birthdays or common words. Consider using a password manager to generate and store complex passwords securely, ensuring that each account has a distinct password. This practice significantly reduces the risk of being hacked and protects your sensitive information from cybercriminals looking to exploit weak security measures. 3. Two-factor authentication. Adding an extra layer of security. Two-factor authentication, 2FA, is an essential security measure that requires not only a password but also a second form of verification to access your accounts. This could be a text message code, an authentication app, or a biometric scan, such as a fingerprint. Enabling 2FA adds an extra layer of security, making it much harder for attackers to gain access to your accounts, even if they manage to obtain your password. By implementing 2FA across your online accounts, you significantly enhance your defenses against unauthorized access and identity theft. 4. Be mindful of social media. Adjusting privacy settings. Social media platforms can be a goldmine for identity thieves if your privacy settings are not correctly configured. Regularly review and adjust your privacy settings to control who can see your posts, personal information, and friend lists. Be cautious about accepting friend requests from unknown individuals and think twice before sharing personal details publicly. The more information you share, the easier it becomes for someone to impersonate you or access your accounts. By being mindful of your social media presence, you can protect your identity and maintain better control over your online footprint. 5. Recognizing phishing scams. Spotting red flags. Phishing scams are deceptive attempts to steal your personal information by pretending to be a trustworthy source, often through emails or messages. To protect yourself, learn to recognize common red flags, such as poor grammar, unfamiliar email addresses, or links that lead to suspicious websites. Always verify the source before clicking on links or providing any information. If something seems off, it's best to contact the organization directly using official channels. By staying vigilant and informed, you can better protect yourself against these malicious attempts to compromise your online identity. 6. Secure your devices. Keeping software updated. Keeping your devices secure is critical in safeguarding your online identity. Regularly update your operating system, software applications, and antivirus programs to protect against the latest security vulnerabilities. Updates often include patches for known exploits that cybercriminals may use to gain access to your device or personal information. Additionally, enable automatic updates whenever possible to ensure you don't miss essential security enhancements. By maintaining up-to-date software, you significantly reduce the risk of attacks and help protect your online identity from potential threats. 7. Use a VPN. Safeguarding your internet connection. A virtual private network, VPN, encrypts your internet connection, making it more difficult for hackers or malicious entities to intercept your data. Using a VPN is especially important when connected to public Wi-Fi networks, which can be vulnerable to eavesdropping and data breaches. A VPN masks your IP address, providing an additional layer of privacy and security when browsing online. By incorporating a VPN into your internet habits, you can safeguard your online identity and protect your personal information from potential exposure during online activities. 8. Monitor your accounts. Regularly checking for unusual activity. Regularly monitoring your online accounts is essential in identifying any unauthorized access or unusual activity early. Set aside time each month to review bank statements, credit reports, and online accounts for any discrepancies or unfamiliar transactions. Many financial institutions offer alerts for suspicious activity, so take advantage of these features. If you notice anything unusual, take immediate action, such as changing your passwords or reporting the activity to the respective organization. By staying proactive in monitoring your accounts, you can swiftly address any potential threats to your online identity. 9. Educate yourself. Staying informed about online threats. Staying informed about the latest online threats and security best practices is vital in protecting your online identity. Regularly read articles, attend webinars, or participate in workshops that focus on cybersecurity awareness. Being aware of new scams, data breaches, and emerging technologies can help you understand how to adapt your online behavior and security measures. The more you know about potential threats, the better equipped you'll be to recognize and respond to them effectively, helping to safeguard your personal information and online identity. 10. Handling identity theft. What to do if it happens to you despite your best efforts. Identity theft can still occur. Knowing how to respond quickly can help mitigate the damage. If you suspect your identity has been stolen, report it immediately to your bank, credit card companies, and relevant authorities. Consider placing a fraud alert on your credit report to warn potential creditors of the situation. You should also monitor your financial accounts and credit reports closely for any signs of unauthorized activity. Taking these steps promptly can help you regain control and protect your online identity from further damage. Protecting your online identity is a continuous effort that requires awareness and proactive measures. By implementing the strategies outlined in this article, you can significantly enhance your digital security and minimize the risks associated with identity theft and cyber threats. Start by creating strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication to add layers of protection to your accounts. Regularly monitor your accounts for unusual activity and stay informed about the latest online threats to adapt your defenses accordingly. Using a VPN and adjusting your social media privacy settings can further safeguard your personal information from prying eyes. Remember, the key to maintaining a secure online presence lies in being vigilant and educated about potential risks. By taking these steps, you not only protect your identity but also create a safer online environment for yourself and others. Stay proactive, and enjoy a more secure digital experience. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go.